Everyone says their air fryer is the best. Today we find out who's actually right. Air fryers flood the market every year. Most disappoint. A few actually change how you cook. I tested capacity, speed, cleanup, and real cooking results across the top contenders. Here's the definitive top 5 best air fryers, ranked from good to unbeatable. Starting at number 5, the Nuwave Brio Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer, a smart budget pick with real precision. Its digital touch panel and compact 7-quart basket give it a sleek, modern countertop presence. 6 cooking functions, precise 5-degree temperature control, and a fully PFAS-free ceramic basket. In testing, it browned frozen fries evenly in under 15 minutes, no shaking required. Great for small households wanting flexible wattage options and simple, no-fuss cooking. Its biggest strengths are the price, the quiet motor, and the effortless dishwasher-safe parts. Honestly, the 7-quart basket feels a little tight for meals feeding more than 3 people. This one's best for singles, couples, or anyone upgrading their very first air fryer. A smart, affordable number 5 that punches well above its price point. Number 4 is the Ninja Air Fryer with MaxCrisp AF141, a compact powerhouse for everyday cooking. Its slim gray housing and 5-quart basket saves serious counter space without sacrificing capacity. It runs 4 functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate at up to 400 degrees. It fits up to 4 pounds of fries and still crisps every single piece evenly. Great for a quick family dinner. It reheated leftover pizza crispier than the microwave ever could. Ideal for renters and small kitchens needing serious performance in a smaller footprint. Its strengths are trusted Ninja reliability, fast preheat, and a genuinely quiet motor. Its 400-degree max temperature is a bit lower than some rivals. This limits ultra-crispy results. Best suited for individuals or couples wanting simple, no-fuss everyday air frying. A dependable number 4 that nails the everyday basics without any surprises. Number 3 is the Ninja Foodi DZ550, a 10-quart DualZone system built for big households. Its stainless steel dual basket design looks and feels genuinely built for serious home cooking. It includes a built-in smart thermometer, match cook, and smart finish across 2 independent zones. In testing, it cooked a full chicken and a tray of vegetables perfectly, finishing at the exact same moment. Perfect for a Sunday family dinner, cooking a main and a side without any back-to-back waiting. Ideal for large families, meal preppers, or anyone who regularly entertains guests. Its biggest strengths are the 10-quart capacity, dual independent zones, and precise smart cooking. Its larger footprint takes up real counter space, so smaller kitchens may find it a tight fit. Best suited for large families, meal preppers, and anyone hosting regular dinner parties. This really is a game changer. A genuinely impressive number 3 for anyone who cooks in serious volume. Number 2 is the Ninja XL Air Fryer with MaxCrisp AF181, and it's shockingly close to first place. Its 6.5-quart single basket and clean gray design fit almost any kitchen aesthetic. 6 functions, 450-degree MaxCrisp technology, and 1,750 watts of genuinely fast heating power. In testing, MaxCrisp seared wings golden brown and audibly crispy in record time.
Perfect for game day, it handled a full batch of wings and fries without a single soggy piece. Ideal for families and food lovers who prioritize crispiness above almost everything else. Its biggest strengths are true 450-degree crisping, fast preheat, and consistently even results.
Its single basket means larger meals still require cooking in a couple of separate batches.
Best suited for anyone who wants near top-tier crisping performance, without the biggest price tag. An outstanding number 2 that nearly steals the top spot on performance alone. Taking the number 1 spot is the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer, our clear overall winner. Its dark gray, ceramic-coated design and angled touchscreen give it a genuinely premium feel. 9 cooking functions, a 90 to 450 degree range, and true PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating throughout. TurboBlaze's 3600 RPM fan cooked a full basket of fries evenly with zero shaking needed. Perfect for busy weeknights, it roasted a whole tray of vegetables while staying whisper quiet. I love how easy this makes dinner. Ideal for anyone wanting the best all-around balance of capacity, power, and everyday ease. Its biggest strengths are the quiet under 53 decibel motor, ceramic durability, and effortless dishwasher-safe cleanup. Its only real downside is that it's exclusive to certain retailers, which can limit local availability. Best suited for any household wanting genuinely the best all-around air fryer available today. Our confident, well-earned number 1 pick. The best air fryer you can buy right now. So here's the breakdown. 5 very different air fryers, 5 very different strengths. Big families should look at the Ninja Foodi DZ550. Crisp lovers should grab the Ninja MaxCrisp AF181. Budget shoppers should pick the Nuwave Brio Plus, while everyday users love the Ninja AF141. But if you want the single best all-around air fryer, the Cosori TurboBlaze earns our top pick.